Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Mr. Moore right around North Carolina. Well, it's Ranger RCI 99N4. Sir, we got your striker antenna sent out, coax, 4-gauge oxygen free copper wire sent out. Here is your radio. Got your two switches here. Now you wanted them on the side if I could make them work. I didn't feel comfortable putting them on the side after checking the space I had with the amplifier drop down in there, and your channel board on this side, and you've got your switch mechanism. It's pretty deep on this side, so they're both on the back here. So first let me show you the high cut noise filter. These will be labeled closest to the heat sink. Check that out. You got all that white noise, gone. White noise, gone. White noise, gone. Okay. 10 kilohertz jump. You want to get in between them channels. There you go. Got it back there ready to go too. Let's just get on over here and show you what it's going to do. RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Get you about 25 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 125 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 1, 2, audio. Please excuse me, I've got a pretty bad cold. Not sure how many more videos I can do. 210 on bird average, 1000 watt peak. Hello, just about a needle's wish short of 600. Alright, my friend, we're going to get it up to you. It was good talking to you on the phone the other day. Sure was, and I hope to hear you out there in radio land. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.